Hi everyone, here's another project share. So this one I created with all the spring showers and all the pretty flowers that I saw outside today blooming. I thought this would be perfect to create. This album measures 6 1/8 by 6 1/8. So it would be easier to go ahead and use your 6 by 6 paper stack in making these. As you can see here again, I did use the tassel that I ordered through Amazon's on the side here, and I just clipped it with the same seam binding technique. I'm loving this right now, so that's what I am continuing to use because it's pretty easy for me. And it holds a lot of pictures. The paper itself is from COPPA, Celebrate Spring by Lori Whitlock. So I just backed this up, sentiment, the cut-aparts with some foam adhesives in the back, and then again these little rosettes, flowers from my stash. And I just thought this is really cute. It's very spring-like colors, as you could see. And let's see the first page. So again, I did a lot of cut-aparts. And I did use a lot of my punches. So I used Martha Stewart, Fiskars, and EK Success punches for this, and Martha Stewart, if I didn't mention. So here, on this one here, I did the Fiskars punch. And I just added that, and then I just put some of the cut-aparts to put in there so they can do some journaling on the back as well. Again, some cut-aparts here. I just made a little angled photo corner on the side. Some more of the, let me see if you can see that. Some more of the cut-aparts all over the place. This one, I did use, again, Fiskars, and this is the punch. I don't know the name. Like I said, this has been in my stash for so long, 10 plus years on that one. And then this one here, I think, let me see, where is this one? All right, this is the Martha Stewart one. And this is what I did use for this edge punch on this side. Again, some more journaling that you can use for your pictures, and you know, you can add more stuff, pictures in the back. Some of these, like these ones and this paper here, this is from the haul that I did at Tuesday morning, and it's from Simple Stories. It's called Best Year Ever, and it's the May number 12006. If you guys wanted to know which brand it was or which collection it was, it's in my videos and my hauls. But yeah, I just thought these are so cute because you never have enough for journaling, so you can incorporate more pictures in here as well. And then this one says springtime, bloom, sunshine, grass, flowers. And then this one, it's a beautiful life. Did I use the same one? I think I did. Okay, so this one is this page for Martha Stewart. And then this one is Fiskars. So I did use the Martha Stewart twice. Okay, I thought I used different ones. And again, some more cut-aparts that was in there. I just tucked that in there. Perfect for some pictures. Sometimes when you make a mistake, like the paper was too small for this flip page, so I just use my other punch for this. And I think this is the EK Success. Let me get this. And it's this one here. And that's what I used to have this ruffle kind of, you know, ripple effect on here. And so instead of having it tucked in the bottom, I just tuck it on top, but you can just put a picture on there. All the papers that have the Echo Park, Lori Whitlock has a bottom. I just cut that little sentiment. It's a Celebrate Spring. Adhere that with some dimensional tape, foam tape, and that's what I did. This one says Happy Mother's Day. So again, you can just insert some more pictures in here. These doilies that I have here, it's from the haul that I had from Amazon, and they're just perfect. I didn't adhere them just in case I don't want them there, but I wanted the contrast of the colors, so I can take it out or I can go back and adhere it on this page. Again, this is from Simple Stories, and some journaling. That's that page. And this one is again from Echo Park. I just think all the little cute little bees and frogs. They're just adorable. Again, with the little sentiment that came on the bottom of the page. Lots and lots of places to put pictures and journaling, you know, and you can also add like a 2x3, 2.5 by 3.5 picture in the back if you want. You just insert your picture in there. I hope you can see it. Yeah, there you go. And here, this one too as well. You can flip this open, more journaling. Then you just close that again. Same here with the blue and pink doily. I use some of the page, you know, like you can pretty much make tags, anything you want, and incorporate them in your album just so that, you know, you're happy with what you create. Again, another tuck-in spot here. This came with the collections, again, from Simple Stories. And what I did is I used my corner punches for these, so that way I can tuck in some pictures if I want. So this is what I use for here, and this one holds a 5.25 by 3.5 picture. And then in the front you can add more pictures or some journaling. And this one, I use this one for that. And this is, what brand is this? I don't even know. Oh, they're EK Success as well. And then this one holds a 5 5/8 by 3 3/4 picture, and you just tuck that in. So you could take it out or tuck it in either way, and it says May. And just put that in there. So you can add more pictures in there. But this is just, to me, perfect for a simple, easy to make, really quick album. I put this in then, say, within an hour, and I love it. So, you know, the more embellishment you can add on here and make it thicker if you want. I don't know if I wanted to put some more flowers. I think the pictures itself and the design of the paper, the patterns, are busy enough that I don't need to have too much embellishment. But I thought it was really cute to create and incorporate our pictures in here. And I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.